chicken pot pie question mark. First, we're gonna want our chicken. Oh,
Frick. Got him. Got him. Sorry, God.
in the arms of an angel. This song's copyrighted. Pour in some water to cover your chicken and let that boil for about 30 minutes. Then take your chicken out and clean the pan.
Boy.
Put your homemade butter in a pan and melt it. Then add your celery, carrots, and onion, or mirepoix, as the French say. Cook that for 6 minutes and add some garlic and rosemary. Season with salt and pepper and add flour. Cook the flour for about a minute so the flour cooks out. Add your chicken broth,
Chill the fuck out.
heavy cream, and Dijon, and let that cook for a few minutes. And add back in your cooked chicken. I hate vegetables, but we gotta add a little frozen if we want a chicken pot pie. Spread out your pie crust into your pie container. Let's fill our pie up. Shove all the green beans to one side because you don't want them. Put the other pie crust on top of the pie that's in there. Cut some slits in the top and give the pie crust an egg wash and sprinkle with salt. This should go in the oven for about 45 minutes. This will give you enough time to feel. Anyway, let this rest until a little cool. Money shot. Let's see if Rebel wants any. All this death is making me hungry. Let's eat. Smell is unbelievable. Thanks for watching and like and subscribe for more. See you later.
How do you feel to be in your first motion picture? And you, for Best Supporting Actor?